So how do LLMs actually work? Let's get right into the core concept. It's simpler than you think. For decades, you've used software that follows strict rules. You know, it's totally predictable.
A calculator always gives you the same answer. An LLM, though, it's designed to be different every time.
So if it's not following rules, then what is it doing? How does it come up with this stuff?
Well, the answer isn't some complex secret. It's actually a concept you use every single day.
It's just like the autocomplete on your phone, you know? The way it suggests the next word.
Now imagine that simple tool was trained on, well, basically the entire internet. And that's our key idea, a supercharged autocomplete. It doesn't know anything, it just predicts words.
The process is simple. It analyzes, predicts a word, adds it to the sentence, and then just repeats.
And believe it or not, this one single mechanism explains almost everything about how they behave.
So you really have two different worlds, deterministic systems that follow rules and probabilistic ones that find patterns. This means its main goal isn't to be right, it's to generate a sentence that sounds fluent and plausible.
In other words, it prioritizes sounding right over being right, and that's a huge difference.
And that's why they hallucinate. They confidently make stuff up because it fits the pattern and sounds right. Okay, so what does this all mean for you when you sit down to write a prompt?
It means you need a totally new way of thinking. You're not commanding a calculator here.
So you have to stop thinking truth machine and start thinking more like creative partner.
This partner is fantastic for brainstorming, whipping up a first draft, or summarizing complex info.
But, and this is key, just like a junior assistant, it needs your expert eye to check the facts. So if it's a creative partner, not a calculator, how do you best lead that conversation? We'll dig into that next.